Complete kit everything you need. Each high-quality, factory-tested glass touch digitizer includes the must-have pre-installed extra-strong adhesive tape to securely seal your tablet. You won't find all this in other kits. Kit is perfect for replacing cracked or unresponsive touch screens. Easier/safer. Make the repair easier and safer with better tools and adhesive. The premium tools are durable and won't break, unlike cheap plastic tools. We also include a written quick start guide and link to helpful video instructions. Compatible with iPad 6th generation 2018 models, 9.7-inch larger iPad, A1893 A1954, carefully check model number on back of device, compatible with AT&T, Sprint, Verizon, T-Mobile, and all iPad carriers. Note: home button not included. Fingerprint Touch ID function will only work with your original home button. To retain, transfer button from old screen. Takes a little patience. Customer satisfaction guarantee. Risk-free purchase. Our products are backed by a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus our friendly support staff are right here in the USA and ready to help. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Complete kit everything you need. Each high-quality, factory-tested glass touch digitizer includes the must-have pre-installed extra